To a point.
To a point.
It's pretty early for me today.
Have you followed up on this a little? About what's going on?
No. Kinda forgot about it, sorry.
No, that's okay.
I've been pretty busy lately, a bunch of other stuff going on.
And just for discussion, this appoints,
What's it all about?
it appoints a guy from the AG's office
AG
to
office to handle
prosecute the
the
case.
cases.
Yeah, this is a one case appointment.
Oh,
It's a
oh.
good- If I come to you with an appointment for a deputy county attorney, then it's a general appointment and I can do with that person whatever I can do with a deputy. Never having had a deputy, I'm not sure. Anyway, a special deputy is appointed for one matter or one, particular, they're a limited.
Case.
He will not have general jurisdiction in the county. He will not be able to file documents in any other cases.
So
He
it's
won't
pretty
be
much
able
just
to
to help
appear-
you on this one?
Yeah, it's strictly on State versus Duffy.
Okay. I second it.
And the expense.
I do know about the case and everything, I just kinda forgot about
The lawyer.
like why we are having him, cause he's a special.
So the motion's been seconded.
Discussion, I just said that,
Yeah.
basic
To me,
discussion.
it's where it's only the one case, I have no problem with it, so.
And the only charges involved are gonna be, other than the charges we'll have anyway for costs of trial, would be mileage for him coming over here, which.
I do remember you telling me that. I do that. Oh, cow, it's been a busy week.
There will also be a tremendous educational opportunity for the law enforcement in my office.
Yeah, I think it's.
No, I think it's a good deal to get enforcement.
Go for it, I'll look there, so that you get on to your next problem.
I didn't know that drumming, oh, I.
Well, you need to call for.
Well, anybody, any comment on it?
Oh,
What?
I have a question, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Just clarification. On a resolution, this is a one-time thing, I understand that. It's a deputy, assistant county attorney, whatever you call it. Is this the same process whenever the county commissioners come in and want an outside attorney to come in?
No,
So the commissioners can just anytime ask another attorney to come in and represent them without conferring with you, or? Because I don't understand, as a county attorney and you represent the commissioners, when they bring in another attorney, do you confer with them, or?
this is a criminal case. The appointment that we're talking about today for Ole Olson
Yeah,
is a criminal case.
right.
Okay, and for those appointments, in order for the individual to have legal standing as a prosecutor, as a deputy county attorney,
Right.
they need to be properly appointed to the office, the same way a deputy treasurer or a deputy clerk and recorder or deputy clerk of court does. They have to be properly appointed and accounted for before they can do anything. Now, on the civil side, the commission, any elected official, the special district boards, the other entities that I'm responsible to under the law for legal services or legal advice, they can hire outside counsel. With the commissioners, it can be with my consent and approval or with the county attorney's consent and approval, but it doesn't always have to be. For instance, if they were in an argument with the county attorney's office or with the courts. At this point, I believe the only outside counsel working for the county are Susan Callahan, who is the FERC specialist and the hydro specialist that's working on the Georgetown Lake project. And then Susan Swimley, who I think you know.
Right, and she also represents the planning board?
Yeah, and I believe that arrangement was in place before I was appointed and then elected. And I assume that it was consented to by Mr. Jones or Mr. Bradshaw, who happened to, how long, Susan's been working with you guys for some time, right?
Started with Bradshaw.
Yeah, I mean, it goes back that way.
It's 5 years.
And I certainly have no objection to her, that relationship.
No. Well, when it started, I believe, with Bradshaw, Bradshaw was a part-time attorney, right? So now we have a full-time one,
Right.
and you would think you would take on more jobs. That's just my opinion.
Okay, now.
And so on the other two, with them, you didn't need a resolution for Swimley or Conahan, is it?
No.
Okay.
They can be hired by retainer. I guess Elena, as a civil attorney for the county, Swimley or anybody else doesn't pick up any magic powers. You're just a regular lawyer. But when somebody's appointed as a deputy county attorney, unless their authority is limited, as it is in this resolution, they then have the authority to issue warrants of arrest and to drag people to court and to file criminal charges and to do all those things that the elected people can do.
Mhm. Well, it just
So-
seems that the county attorney, the commissioners are elected
Right.
for the people.
Right.
And it seems like the people are paying for this,
Yes,
right?
they are.
And so when they go and hire another attorney to come in, I think the people should be know about it and also